Yeah. Let's go to another problem relating to the future value of annuity. In the last two classes, we have used two different methods of calculating the future value of annuity. When series of payments are going to be given, that is what we call it as an annuity. Series of equal payments are given, we call it as an annuity. And if you are going to deposit the similar amounts over a period of time, at the end of each year, what will be the amount which you are going to get at the end of the maturity period is all about the future value of annuity. Manually, you can take each and every cash outflow. Then find out the individual maturity value and add up all these particular maturity values to get the future value of the annuity. Otherwise, we can use the table value. That is the most convenient method to calculate the future value of annuity. But if you have a calculator and if the table values are not given to you in the examination, you can use a simple formula to calculate the future value of annuity. As per this particular formula, the future value will be equivalent to the annuity into 1 plus I whole to the power of n minus 1 divided by I. This is a formula through which we can easily calculate the future value of annuity also. So let us work out this particular problem on the basis of this particular formula. What is this particular problem? What is the problem all about? An investor invested rupees 2 lakhs every year in a bank for 13 long years. Every year he is depositing 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs for 13 long years, assuming that this particular amount has been deposited at the end of each year. We need to find out the maturity value. Given that the interest rate is 7.5% per annum, we need to find out the annuity value. This is the problem relating to the future value of annuity. And let us use this particular formula to calculate this particular maturity value here. So let us take the formula which has been given to you, which is nothing but the future value is equal to annuity into 1 plus I whole to the power of n minus 1 divided by I. What is I? Interest. N is number of years. A is nothing but the amount of annuity. So A is given to you as rupees 2 lakhs rupees. I is given as 7.5%, which we can write it as 0.075 because 7.5 divided by 100 is going to give you 0.075, and N is equivalent to 13 years. So let us substitute these particular values here. All the values are here. Plus 1 plus 0.075 to the power of n is 13, so that 13 minus 1 divided by I is 0.075. So let us work out this particular value. So this is rupees 2 lakhs rupees plus 1.075, 1 plus 0.075 is going to be 1.075 whole over of 13 minus 1 is 12 divided by 0.075. So this is going to be equivalent to rupees 2 lakhs into 1.75 whole to the power of 12. Let us take a calculator. 1.075 to the power of 12 is going to be 2.3818. This is 8. $2.3818 divided by 0.075. So what is the value of that? This is going to be divided by 0.75, which works out to 31.75 multiplied by 2 lakhs rupees. So this is going to give you rupees it is giving you 63 lakhs 551,412 rupees 0.2656. You can ignore that particular amount. Roughly it is 63 lakhs 51,412. So what is that we have done? Instead of using the table value, annuity table values, we are going to use this particular formula. The formula says that it is A into 1 plus I whole over of n minus 1 divided by I. So here I have 2 lakhs rupees. Each year 2 lakhs is deposited at the end of the year. But it is not mentioned in the problem whether it is deposited at the end or the beginning, but I assume that it is deposited at the end. So I am going to use this particular formula. Otherwise, we are going to, if it becomes annuity due, we will be doing that particular problem at a later stage. If it is annuity due, what will be the formula? So A is 2 lakhs, I is 7.5%, N is 13%. After substituting this particular thing, we are going to get the an amount equivalent to 63 lakhs 51,412 rupees. This particular thing can be easily done through the future value table also. You can use that particular table, annuity tables also. Thank you.